Welcome guys to another video. Sorry about the lighting, the sun is out. It's cold but the sun is out. In today's video we'll be showing you, we'll be comparing the three E-classes we have. This one right here is a 2006 E280 CDI facelift model. That's a pre-facelift 2005 E270. This is, as you know, the pre-facelift E280 to 2006. We'll start off with the E270, as this is the oldest and it looks fairly similar to our E280 petrol. I'll hand over to Ibrahim and he will give you a walk around.
Alright guys, so with the 2005 E270 CDI, we've got bi-xenon lights, bi-xenon projector headlights, which we've cleaned out. We'll show you on another video how to clean them potentially in the future. We've got a washer jet system which cleans the headlights. We've got 5 wheels. This car's not too standard, but spec you can get. It's the avant-garde model. We've got folding heated wing mirrors and dimming. Inside we've got no memory seats unfortunately in this car. We've got these lights that we've installed ourselves. We'll talk about these in a future video. We've got an Extron sat-nav which we've also installed ourselves, because this car did not come with a sat-nav. You've got avant-garde styled gear stick, seating, the leather, the design, this wood trim. It's different as you'll see in the other two cars. You've got the instrument cluster, and this car's got 145,000 miles. You've got a standard heater system, it's dual zone, which comes standard in all E-classes of this time. And on the facelift version you've got an LCD display right here, and you can also get other options for heated seats, ventilated seats and rear blinds. And I think on the estate version you get wiper controls here, and on the facelifted one you also get a nicer steering wheel. So we've got a dimmable rear view mirror over here, so when the light hits it in the night, headlights or anything like that, the mirror dims. The right hand side wing mirror is also supposed to dim, but there's a common fault on pre-facelift models where the material inside, whatever it is, the chemical oozes out, so then you've got a bit faded mirror. It does the job but it doesn't dim anymore. You've got sensors, parking sensors, and this is the display. You've got one over here, got one at the back. You've got LEDs. Well, we've upgraded these to LEDs, but all these interior lights are all LEDs. And if you had a better upgraded model with a higher spec model with air suspension, the controls would be here. You'd have adaptive cruise control on the side, and if this was a sport model you'll get a manual button as well, so you can use paddle shifts, which we've got on the other two cars. And you can also get Harman Kardon speakers, which unfortunately this one does not have. Alright guys, so at the back of the car we've got quite a lot of leg room, so passengers can easily sit in here, be comfortable. You've got a nice little ashtray. You've got automatic windows at the back as well. You've got a rear heater. Unfortunately it's not a 4-zone climate control, so we can't control it at all, but you can turn it on and off. That's just the lumbar support for the chairs at the front. Apart from that, there's not much else to see over here. We've put the lights in at the back as well. It's a nice little touch. Alright, also guys, we've got an armrest which's got a service book and owner's manual in that. We've got cup holders. At the back of the car we've got, as you can see, the E270 badge, number plate, CDI badge. We've got the pre-facelift taillights, as you can see in the facelifted version. You've got these two joined together and it looks a lot sleeker. You've got the rear parking sensors on the trim. You've got quite a lot of space in here. You could fit more than one person in here if you wanted to. Another option on these cars is memory seats, which appear over here, which I'll show you on one of our other cars. We've got memory seats on both sides. As you can see, there's a gap for them on both sides. And these wing mirrors on facelifted versions, you've got a lot nicer and sleeker mirrors, which we'll show you on the E280 CDI.
As Ibrahim's doing the review for the E270, I'll be doing it for the E280. And straight off the bat, you can see the facelift grille and the front bumper. The styling for the fog lights are different, and the grille has like a nose as well as the bumper. It has this like front nose shape, unlike on these two pre-facelift ones. This is one facelift touch. Another is the wing mirror is different. As you can see, these are like a box, and on these it's more, you know, nice, modern. And another facelift touch, see the boot lid, the chrome trim over here, and the facelifted taillights. Also, this is the E280 CDI version, and that's the petrol. So we have both E280s. This one does have the extra panoramic roof. As you join me on the inside, you can see that the gear shifter and the steering wheel, also the climate controls are different, with as this one has the LCD display on it. Heated seat options, these are that's on all E-classes, I believe. So we have the sat nav, we have memory seats on both sides, Harman Kardon speakers. So yeah, it is a nice spec car. Panoramic roof. The Harman Kardon speakers are very nice, very loud. One mod we did is that we changed this into black. The trim around the speedometer was silver before, like as on the other two cars we have, but we changed it to black. We want to change these to black, but it's too complicated. In this one we also get an aux. The aux cable is hidden inside over there. In this car we also have rear view mirror dimming feature, as with the wing mirror, and the left mirror, when shifted into reverse gear, does.
The note about the wheels is that on these are pretty basic and pretty standard, and on the E280s we've got the sport alloys, which look a lot nicer, sleeker, have got low profile tires, and are worth more. As you guys can see, the nose of this car is quite flat, and on the facelifted versions they point out.
So we will be ending the video here. You know, this video was a comparison of pre-facelift and the facelift models of the W211 chassis. If you stay tuned, soon we'll show you our Land Cruiser review of the Land Cruiser, and we can also do some mods. Some of the mods we have done on the car we will show you. And one sneak peek are the front headlights. Stay tuned.